Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Iyana, and you want to go ahead, press that subscribe button and that notification bell next to it so you will not miss any videos from me. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump into today's video. As you can tell from the title, I will be doing a cute little mini twist, curly mini twist hairstyle, okay? I've had my mini twist in for 3 months, going on 4 months, and I've been trying to make sure, you know, to spruce it up a little bit, because sometimes I might get bored with the wigs one day and I just want to do my mini twist. And then sometimes if I don't want to do the mini twist, I can just throw on the wigs. But lately, I just been wanting to wear my mini twist out. We gonna rock them today, okay? I'm starting off on moisturized mini twist. I just finished moisturizing my hair, so it is a little damp. So when I do style my mini twist, I do make sure they're damp because I do want the curls to hold. If you are interested on how I've been moisturizing my mini twist, make sure you look at that video. I will have it in the eye and down below in the description box. I make sure to moisturize my mini twist weekly. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm first going to split my hair in sections. I'm gonna go ahead and gather all of my mini twists up, separating everything because we do not want no mini twists left behind, okay? No mini twists left behind. If you've been following me for a while, you know I love to do curly mini twists. And I used to just use perm rods on each mini twist. But girl, it used to take a little bit of, a little bit of time. But I found a faster way. I don't know why I have not done this sooner, but here we go. So I'm actually going to be using flexi rods, okay? I just have the gray, purple, and orange ones. So they're about like a medium-ish size. They're not small, but they're not too large either. So I would say these are medium. Once I have my hair sectioned off, I am going to take the perimeter twist. So the twists that are around my edges, I'm just going to take those out. And then I'm just going to go in with my flexi rod and start rolling the section up. And I make sure to do this taut because I don't want any twists coming loose. And I'm going to twist all the way to the scalp. Then I'm going to bend the ends together. And you're looking like a little cinnamon roll, okay? Now I'm gonna move on to the next section. And I think I'm gonna split this section into two because I don't want the sections to be too big. Because some of my twists are not the same length all over. So I don't want them to be too big to where I have twists hanging out of the flexi rod. I think that would be a good section. So like I did in the back, I'm going to take the twists that are around my edges, take those out, and then go in with the flexi rod. Wrap her around. Move on to the next section. Moving on to the next section, repeating the steps, just taking the twist around my edges out before flexi rodding. Majority of my hair is flexi rod up, the twist around my edges, I'm actually going to be using perm rods, okay? I'm just going to wrap my ends around the perm rod and just roll it all the way up to the scalp. And the reason why I leave my twist out around my edges is number one, so it doesn't cause any unnecessary tension trying to pull it up into the flexi rods. And also when I take the flexi rods down, I don't want these twists around my edges to be all wonky and just all over the place. So the perm rods will help keep them more unified and more laid down. And I also just feel a lot more comfortable using the perm rods around my edges because I feel like it will frame my face a lot better. I'll have more control basically of what these twists are gonna look like. What my head is looking like. It is so quick and fast doing it this way. I wish I would have thought about doing flexi rods and just doing the perm rods around the edges. I wish I would have thought that. It is super quick doing it this way, doing the flexi rods and just doing the perm rods around the edges instead of doing perm rods all over my head. Especially if I have to sleep at night, the perm rods are harder than the flexi rods, so it'd be kind of hard to get comfortable. But doing it this way, this little hack, way better, and I can sleep with them in. So I think I'm gonna sit under the hooded dryer for a little bit, and then I'm gonna just let these sit overnight so I can make sure the curls hold, because I want them crispy tight curls, okay? I will most likely take these down tomorrow, so wish me luck with sleeping tonight, okay? All right, y'all, so it is the next day. I actually let my hair air dry overnight, and then I sat under the hooded dryer for almost an hour, so fingers crossed that this is dry, okay? I'm gonna first start taking down these flexi rods. Please be dry. Okay. She did a little something. I don't want to get too hyped though. Okay, that's a little cute little girl. The one in the back was not dry all the way. That's why I say I don't get hype off of the first couple. This is what my hair is looking like, all taken down, all the flexi rods are out. This side, girl, I don't got hope for her because she's still damp. I don't know why, but we still gonna make this style work, okay? So now I'm gonna use some Olaplex bonding oil, put on my hands and to rub through my hair and twist, just to help reduce any frizz. And also I'm gonna use my fingers to comb or rake through the twist to break up the curls. Okay, so let's move on to styling. I'm going to just gather the hair on the side of my head. I'm doing this very loosely because I want that effortless look. I'm not trying to be too precise, so I'm just going to gather majority of the hair from the side and also from the back. I think I'm gonna just leave a couple twists, probably a couple rows of twists out in the back so we can get that half up, half down looking style. And then the twists that are framing my face, I'm gonna leave these out. And I'm gonna also just leave like probably just one row of twist out in the back of my head. So something like this. I'm gonna gather all of the twists on top of my head, taking my scrunchie, and I'm gonna wrap it around once so it's not too tight. So you should have something like this. This in itself is real cute. I do want to do like a little bun situation, but like very loose. So I'm just gonna take majority of the twist and I'm doing like very loosely so I can keep some of the curls at the ends out. And so the bun can look full and big, because doing it in the mini twist, your bun gonna look teeny tiny. And I'm just gonna play around with it until I get the shape that I want. Now that I have my cute little curly bun in the shape that I want, I'm gonna use some bobby pins and stick them where I need them to be. I wanna do this very loosely so I can keep the shape, but also not have it too loose. And as I'm putting the bobby pins in, I'm just pulling the twist as well so I can still have a full looking bun, okay? We don't want no teeny tiny bun. Shape test, we're good. This is the final style. It is super cute. And I love doing curly mini twists because it's just like a whole vibe. Like this would not look the same if it was like straight mini twist, okay? That's why I love to put flexi rods or perm rods on my mini twist. It just gives like some type of texture to the twist, if that makes sense. It's a whole vibe. This is what the hairstyle is looking like. This style is super simple, and then it also might look different depending on how many twists you have in your hair. If you have less twists or more twists, it will look different. Let me know what y'all think of this hairstyle down below in the comments, and if you would try this hairstyle out, let me know, okay? But I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share. Sharing is caring, so go ahead and do that. Don't forget you're beautiful, you're strong, you the best music, and I will see you guys in my next one.